Okay, we're going to talk about languages. So, what languages are these? I'm sure you know at least one of them. So, here you can see it. The first one's German, Spanish, Italian, and of course English. In maths we have languages as well. Today we're going to actually have a look at the language of algebra. First thing we'll look at is, in algebra, if we have a number by itself, it is called a constant. So in this example, we have two constants, 3 and 9. We speak of terms. Terms have one or more pronumerals, or it may just be a number on itself. So in this example we had up here, we have three terms. They are 2a, 3 and 9. The number written in front of the pronumeral is called the coefficient. So in our previous example, the coefficient of a is 2 because the number in front of a is 2. An expression is made up by adding or subtracting terms. So here are some examples of expressions. An equation contains an equal sign, so it's made up of two expressions equal to each other. Again, you can see some examples of equations. Each one has an equal sign. So let's have a look at an example. Here we have 3xy minus 7z squared plus 5, and that equals 16 plus x. So this is an equation because it has an equal sign. There are three pronumerals, each of which represents a variable. So we have x, y and z. So we have x and y together being multiplied here, and then we have x on its own over here. There are three coefficients. So the coefficient of x and y is 3. The coefficient of z squared is negative 7. So don't forget the negative sign. It's not just 7, it's negative 7. And the tricky one, the coefficient of x, in this case, is 1. Okay? Remember, in maths we don't necessarily do 1 times something, we leave the 1 off. So we just need to remember that there is actually a coefficient for x in this case. So there are two expressions. Okay, so the expressions are either side of the equal sign. And we have 5 terms in this expression. Sorry, in this equation. 3xy minus 7z squared, 5, 16 and x. And there are two constants, 5 and 16. As you can remember, constants are numbers on their own. So there you have it. That is the language of algebra.